DADA DIAL company breaks the OEM model in the dial industry, the first to build its own factory for producing dials, which uses DuPont USA raw materials to produce dials. High-quality raw materials are the foundation for ensuring the excellent quality of dials. Automated central feeding system ensures more stable continuous production, uses high-quality hot runner molds, no sprue waste generated during the production process, no manual sprue removal needed, and product quality is more stable. Dials produced using German Xiamen electric injection molding machines. Strict control of injection molding parameters allows the material properties to be fully utilized. Automated overhead conveyor system, which transports products directly from machines to the pad printing workshop, reducing pollution from intermediate links. Automated assembly equipment, and all assembled finished products undergo automatic comprehensive inspection, ensures all assembled dials are quality products. Laboratory equipped with a full set of testing equipment, follows the brand's testing standards. Samples from each batch are tested, and products are shipped only after passing tests. Through building its own factory, DADA DIAL company ensures better dial quality and more stable supply.